Want to know the best ways to completely destroy your 20s perfect? Stick around and I'll show you exactly how to set yourself up for regret, burnout, and total failure. Step 1. Treat time like it's unlimited. Why invest in yourself when you could spend every waking second on social media, binge watching shows, or doom scrolling through nonsense? It's not like your 20s set the foundation for your entire future. Oh, wait, they do. But don't worry, if you waste enough time now, you can always play catch up when you're 40 and exhausted. Step 2. Chase quick dopamine. Hits hard work? Nah, go for instant pleasure. Order fast food every day, sleep until noon, and make sure to keep that "I'll start tomorrow" mentality forever. You'll be fine until you're not. Oops, guess those habits don't just disappear when you hit 30. Step 3. Ignore your health, because who cares? Eat whatever, sleep whenever, and ignore exercise completely. Future, you will handle the consequences. Oh, and don't forget to stress yourself out over every little thing while running on 3 hours of sleep. Surprise, your body isn't invincible. Step 4. Stay comfortable and avoid risks. Why take risks when you can stay in your comfort zone forever? Just let fear of failure stop you from starting that business, traveling, or pursuing your passion. It's not like the best things in life happen outside your comfort zone. Oh wait, they do. Step 5. Ignore financial literacy. Forget about saving, investing, or learning how money works. Just live paycheck to paycheck and buy whatever makes you feel good in the moment. Future, you can figure it out, assuming they don't end up drowning in debt. Step 6. Surround yourself with the wrong people. Your circle determines your future? Stick with people who gossip, complain, and do nothing to improve themselves. If they're going nowhere, you're going with them. The wake-up call. Flip the script. Okay, real talk. If you don't want to ruin your 20s, do the opposite of everything I just said. Time is your biggest asset. Your habits shape your future, and your environment is everything. Your 30-year-old self is either going to thank you or resent you. If this video was a wake-up call, hit that like button, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe. See you in the next one.